All right, our water is just starting to simmer, and we have our tomatillos in here, so we're going to start working on our poblano. And again, this is very dark green chili, but it's not spicy at all and doesn't really have the bitterness that a green pepper will, green bell pepper. So we're going to go ahead and wash that because it's dark, it's very easy for this pepper to hide a lot of dirt on it. So we're going to go and we're going to cut our top off. And if you cut it close enough to, then you'll still have this. And a lot of people throw this out, but there's a lot of good flavor in here. Get rid of our stem and pull gently, see, so now we're not going to have that many seeds in there. The seeds on this, like on a bell pepper, will sort of explode all over the place once you cut them, but with these type of chilies, the seeds are pretty firm and will stick. So these are one of the easier chilies to prepare. I'm going to take this and cut it down the middle, and then we're going to get rid of our seeds and pull a little bit. As you can see, there's not much white rib. I'm going to pull that out and any other spots we find inside.